friends, I am Disha. Welcome to my channel TV Craft. Friends, always stay updated with my new videos. So don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment below. Today we are going to make paper rolls. So let's get started. First we will take paper and round up and draw a circle. Take scissors and cut it. And now take pencil and draw spiral shape as I am doing. Friends, don't forget to like my video. Now take scissors and cut it. Now take glue . Now start rolling the paper as shown in the video. Friends, it will take a little bit of time, but end result will be beautiful. Friends, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now apply glue on the base and stick it and press it little bit and the rose is ready. These are few more roses with different color. Look how beautiful it looks. Friends, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.